Hi guys, welcome back to K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. I'm Justin, sales manager of K Hair Factory, and today I will come back with an extremely interesting topic: how to curl hair extension without heat easily at home. Surely many of you will want to turn your straight hair into curly hair, but are afraid that using heat will cause your hair to be damaged or broken. In this video, I will show you 3 ways to curl hair extension without heat. First of all, one of the quickest, simplest, and most economical ways to curl hair extension without heat at home is to braid your hair. Step 1. Wet or apply hair gel to your hair, then separate extension into 2 equal pieces. It's crucial to follow this step while learning how to curl hair extension without using heat. Braid the hair extension on each side. Your hand should be braided loosely for large waves and securely for minor waves. Step 3. Take the end of the braid and use pin to attach it to the top of your head in place of using hair tie to keep your hair in place. You could be concerned about tangled hair in this step of learning how to curl hair extension without heat. Don't worry though, just place the cotton pot on top of your hair before pinning it up. Step 4. Simply go to sleep after that. In the morning, your hair extension will have bouncy curls. Spray on some gel to maintain the style longer. Using hair rollers is the second method of how to curl hair extension at home without using heat. For creating tight or loose curls, rollers in the range of size work well. First, depend a very small section of hair, about 1 inch wide and 1 centimeter thick, with either water or hair gel. The curl is more pronounced in the hair that is cut in smaller parts. Step 2. Curling the hair is the next step in the processing of using rollers to style hair extension. Your hair extension should be wrapped around the middle of curly roller. Roll it in the directions of the hair extension tips. Step 3. Once you have wrapped the hair extension completely in this method, keep them in place for several hours to allow the curls to dry and solidify. You don't need to leave the hair extension in overnight while using this method to curl them without using heat. Just a few hours will give you gorgeous curled hair. Thirdly, it's quite easy to curl hair extension without using heat by utilizing headbands. Make sure the headband is soft enough to prevent any unfavorable crease in the hair extensions. Step 1. Moisten your hair extension first, then curl them without using heat by braiding them or rolling them into rollers. Step 2. Positions the headbands atop of the head. The top of headband should be worn where your hairlines meet your forehead, and the bottom should be worn where your neck and neck bone connect. Step 3. To curl hair extension without using heat, grab a little sections of your natural hair around the headband and the hair above below it. Continue with the remaining hair extension. Remove the headband when the hair is completely dry to reveal gorgeous, huge curl hair extensions. It's really simple to use headbands to curl hair extension without using it, don't you think? If you have any question, don't hesitate to text me through this WhatsApp number. If you found this video useful, please give us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.